Good evening, everybody. It's from Jayshree from SNS College of Technology. I'm going to take electrical wiring and safety. Okay, what is the use of electrical safety? That is what we are going to see. Okay, so what is the purpose of electrical safety? So this is what here electrical safety. This presentation highlights the critical aspects of electric safety both in electric circuits and electron devices. Understanding and adhering to safe practices are essential to prevent injuries and fatalities. We all explore potential hazards, safe work procedures and emergency response protocols. Okay, let us see how you are understanding the electrical hazards. Say electric shock. Current to flow can cause burns and cardiac arrest or death. Severity depends on voltage, current and path. So this is what this understanding of electrical hazards. Here this danger sign indicates this exclamatory and this danger, and then this boy will going to touch this shock. This shows this shock. And arc blast or arc blast, that is what here, explosion of energy causing severe burns and psychological turmoil. So here during the rainy season we have the severe arc flash, right? So this will cause also electrical hazards in our home. Okay. Next one, thermal hazards. When we are binding the wire together and we are connecting and we are giving supply to some other places, this overheat causes the burn in this copper wire, which in turn it produces electrical hazards. Okay. Next one is what? Safe practices in electrical circuits. Grounding. So ensuring that electrical systems and equipments are properly grounded to prevent electrical shock hazards. So this ensures the safety practices in electrical circuits. So this includes this grounding is a very essential to prevent the electrical shock hazards. Okay. Next one is what? Use proper insulated tools. Ensure that tools used for electrical work are insulated and rated for the voltage levels as you are working within. These tools are used for electrical work or insulated and rated. These tools were this copper wire are held in the single insulated tube and which are bounded together. This forms this electrical works and rated for voltage levels. Okay. Next one is what? Follow wiring codes. Adhere to local electrical codes and standard to safety and compliance with regulations. Okay. This includes the most safe practices in electrical circuits. And next one is what? Wear safety gear. So in order to use this electrical shock, we are handling the electrical shock, we can use this safety measure. Use rubber soled shoes and rubber gloves and other protective gear to minimize the risk of electrical shock. Okay. And next one is what? Use the right equipment. Always use properly rated and calibrated testing instruments for the specific application and voltage levels you are working with this. For example, if the multimeter is using or if the voltmeter is using, if the ammeter is using, each equipments have the certain voltage limit or ampere current limit or some watts limit, power limit. Okay, so this equipment should use this properly rated and calibrating tested instruments. For this, we have to use this particular specific voltage range for the particular voltage measurements, for the particular current level for the particular current measuring instruments, for the particular power level or watts level for the particular measuring power level. Okay. Next one is what? Inspect tools before use. Check all the testing tools and instruments for any signs of wear, damage and malfunction before use. Damaged equipment can lead to inaccurate readings or electrical hazards. So these are these ways for testing and measuring safety. So definitely we should inspect tools before use. Check all the testing tools and instruments for any sign of wear, damage or malfunction before use. Damaged equipment can lead to inaccurate readings and electrical hazards. So thank you all.